Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show my American design Erie triplex, and it's actually a giant one, so I have to show you in the longest map. Yes, it is the endless map, but I like with this map. It is with the roof. So here it is. I'm gonna show it to you. Erie triplex train. Yes, they have the side roads on the back. And here is the design. I didn't copy from the Union Pacific Big Boy. I just did what I can. I added a buffer beam on the back and a catcher on the back, so it looks like a real design. So it actually runs too. Here, I'll just turn it on. There we go. I see the side rods moving. Actually, that is my favorite part because in a long time I haven't made the side rods the valve gear, because when I was a kid you don't know how to make side rods. But today, this is my special day, and this is the one I've been working for. Actually, I make the 8F valve gear. I'm showing it to you right now in this video. Here it is. Actually, this kind of satisfying look. And actually, I did make another valve gear of an American type S100. Is a famous class of shunting, and I like the design of you can go forwards and backwards. Really cool thing. But I'm planning to make the UP Challenger another day, and I'm making it for tomorrow, and I'm making a video. But I have a little bit of news. They make this small train. I think it's I don't know what class it is. I'm planning to make it tender. I'm planning to make the tender tomorrow as well. So yeah, this is. Oh, I made Sir Topham hat, the red coach. I upgraded it, and they also have a green coach, and I upgraded it and made it better. And actually, I have this bigger train base. Classified, I used it for my Erie triplex. And the Union Pacific Big Boy actually comes to an end, and actually I upgraded it. The cow catcher, the wheels, the valve gear, the tender. Everything looks so good. Let's run this thing. It's quite fast, but it does the job. Oh. So that's it for today, guys. And see you in the next video. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and bye!